Hey guys, what's up? It's Majdi and this is the Infinix Hot 9 unboxing and review. The Infinix Hot 9 is the successor of the Infinix Hot 8 that was released late last year. And for some time now, I've been spending some time with this Infinix Hot 9. I'll sum my experience up in this phrase. The Infinix Hot 9 is familiar and unique. So what is really hot about the Infinix Hot 9 that could possibly be the drive behind your motivation of upgrading from the Infinix Hot 8 to the Infinix Hot 9, or the real juice that will motivate you to purchase the Infinix Hot 9? Before then, let's unbox the smartphone and then run its review. When you open the back of the Infinix Hot 9, the first thing you will see is a device with a sticker placed on top, revealing some quick specs of the smartphone. Next is a white envelope. Behind it is placed the SIM ejector, while inside the envelope is a rubber cover to protect the device from quick scratches and dirt. And lastly, in the back, you will see the charger, a micro USB cable, and a pair of earpieces. All of this you get for $145. Infinix Hot 9 has 6.6-inch LCD display with HD Plus resolution and 20:9 aspect ratio. On the top side of the smartphone is nothing placed, while below the opposite side contains the headphone jack, micro USB port, and speaker. On the right hand side, you have the volume rocker and power button, while the left hand side has the nano SIM plus micro SD slot. On the rear, first you will admire the ocean wave design and color. Then you also notice the rear mounted fingerprint scanner, the 60-megapixel quad cameras, and triple flashlights. Infinix and Hot words are also boldly inscribed on the back of the smartphone. And what is weird about the smartphone? The Infinix Hot 9 I lay my hands on is the one of 3 gigs of RAM plus 64 gigs of internal storage. Now, from my few years of experience in this smartphone, this tech industry, I've only seen 3 gigs of RAM work in collaboration with 32 gigs of internal storage, while 4 gigs of RAM works in collaboration with 64 gigs of internal storage. I must say this is the first time I'm seeing 3 gigs of RAM going hand in hand with 64 gigs of internal storage. But I think that is more of an advantage to you buyers than being disadvantage, so that's cool. I just think you should notice that. The Infinix Hot 9 runs Android 10 out of the box and is based on top Infinix own latest skin software, SOS version 6, also known as Dolphin. Talking about the uniqueness of the smartphone, the Infinix Hot 9 is powered by MediaTek Helio A25. The A25 chipset is a mid-range chipset from MediaTek that has an octa-core processing unit. This is the first time Infinix is using the MediaTek Helio A25 in any of its smartphones. Traditionally, Infinix are used to the MediaTek Helio A22, which is a quad-core processor, or MediaTek Helio P22, which happens to be an octa-core processor. So the MediaTek Helio A25 is just a chipset in between the low-end chipset A22, the quad-core processor, and the mid-range MediaTek Helio P22. The P22 comes with 2.0 GHz processing units, while the A25 comes with 1.8 GHz processing units. When it comes to the camera, the Infinix Hot 9 gives its best. The best is not always good enough in a mid-range smartphone of $145. However, you have the 8-megapixel selfie camera with a flashlight embedded in the bezel. So even at night, while making video calls, video conferencing, or snapping pictures at night, you can still have great images thanks to the dual flashlight embedded in the bezels. And there's something I noticed about the selfie camera. When you switch the selfie camera, there's this light that glows in a ring form around the selfie camera, the 8 megapixel selfie camera. Maybe that's an idea to remind you that you're about to take a selfie camera. I don't know, but I love the colors though. And on the rear, you have 16 megapixel quad rear cameras. According to Infinix, 16 megapixel quad rear cameras. Don't be fooled. The Infinix 16 megapixel quad rear cameras in the Hot 9 has just two functionable lenses. The 16 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel for depth sensor. The other two cameras or lenses, I don't know what they are for. Maybe if you provide an answer to that. So, but basically, you are getting just two main functionable cameras: 16 megapixel primary and 2 megapixel depth sensor. So here are some pictures I took with the Infinix Hot 9. The selfie camera games, not bad, cool. The AR shot, wide selfie are all available. And on the rear, you take the crisp images that can retain some details. Even when you come to zoom in, you still retain some details. Thanks also to the triple flashlights that is placed alongside the two functionable rear cameras. To keep the smartphone secure, you have the fingerprint that works most of the time, unlike the face unlock that disappoints sometimes. Now, I tried to use the face unlock to keep the smartphone secure the later I've used the smartphone, and in some cases it just works perfectly, while in other cases it doesn't. So the face unlock is not completely reliable, but the rear mounted fingerprint is a top notch. 5000 mAh battery capacity, which is big enough to keep the smartphone running for days. According to Infinix, that can take you for up to 4 days, well, depending on your usage. But so far, it's guaranteed that even if you are an intensive user, 5000 mAh battery capacity the Infinix Hot 9 has to offer is not a ruse. It's for real. It takes you way longer beyond your expectation. And charging the smartphone 5000 mAh battery capacity, considering the fact that the charger is not a fast charging enabled, this will take you up to 2 hours to get battery full. So what's my take on this smartphone? The Infinix Hot 9 is not something new. It's familiar. It's something we've seen. The design, the color, ocean wave, we saw all that in the likes of the Infinix S5 Lite and the Infinix S5 itself. This design is familiar, but it's unique. 3 gigs of RAM for smooth multitasking and 64 gigs of ROM for your music and file storage. If you ask me, I would say it's a fair deal for a $145 smartphone. But what do you think? You can drop your opinion in the comment section below, and also follow me on my social media accounts, MyHD on Twitter, TechArena24 on Instagram, TechArena24 on Facebook, so you don't get to miss out on more interesting tech unboxing, smartphone unboxing, smartphone reviews, and sports. Also hit the subscribe button for more and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post new content. It's MyHD here from TechArena24, but to catch you in my next one.